If your car doesn't support Apple CarPlay or Android Auto, this portable screen can instantly modernize it. Today, I'm reviewing the Krunia 9.26-inch wireless portable CarPlay screen. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. This screen supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, giving you hands-free access to navigation, calls, messages, and music. Large 9.26-inch HD display. The 9.26-inch touchscreen is bright, responsive, and easy to see, making maps and media much clearer while driving. Backup camera support. With the included rearview camera, parking and reversing become safer and more convenient. OTA updates and mirror link. Thanks to OTA software updates, your system stays current, and Mirror Link lets you display compatible apps from your phone. Bluetooth, voice control, and GPS navigation. You get Bluetooth 5.0, voice control, GPS navigation, and FM transmission, all built into one portable unit. Instant CarPlay upgrade for any car. Simple installation with no vehicle modification. Large, clear display improves driving safety. FM audio quality depends on radio signal. Portable mount doesn't look factory installed. If you want an easy, affordable way to add modern smart features to almost any vehicle, the Krunia Portable CarPlay Screen is a convenient and versatile option. Upgrade your drive in minutes. Click the link in the description to check the latest price on Amazon. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment for more car tech reviews.